I gave this AI tool my $300 course and told it to create me a funnel that sells like top offers in my niche. I told it to do the entire research, to find the best converting copy, to rewrite my copy as the best converting copy, and to build me an entire code for the website. And it did it in 15 minutes. I'll walk you through how I'm using this AI tool to build me entire funnels, to do research for me, and to do things that would take probably couple of weeks, maybe even longer, and it would probably cost hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars to make, and I make them for free. So now I'll walk you to the screen, I'll show you the tool, how it works, and it's by far one of my most favorite, if not my favorite tool of all the AI tools that I've tried. Now, some of you likely have heard about it. It's called Manus AI. It's one of the first and the best, quite frankly, autonomous AI agents. Now, what an AI agent is, you can imagine it as AI but on steroids. So your classical AIs like LMs or large language models like Claude, Gemini, for the most tasks, they are like your answering buddies. They can do a couple of things, they're getting better, but this is just next level better. These things crawls the internet, does the research, does things for you, generates codes, does all of these things with a single prompt. And I want to show you this. Like, look at this. I built this one prompt with the help of ChatGPT. And I told it, like, listen, I'm relaunching my course and I want your help to research, rework, and rebuild my sales page to increase conversions. This course is currently priced at X. I want you to compare it to offers in the same niche that are priced $100 to $500 that are the best. Make sure they're in make money online, content marketing, or coaching space. Target audience are coaches, creators, and online service providers, people who already post content but don't get consistent clients, etc. So I explained who is it for, and I was like, here's what I need from you. Research before writing, right? So I told it, please review top performing sales pages for one-time purchase digital courses priced between 200 and 500 bucks in niches like make money online coaching, creator monetization, pain-based or belief shifting programs. Tell me briefly common sales page structures that convert, headlines, call to action styles, bonus tags, guarantees, pricing psychology, tactics that reduces frictions, copy angles that are working the best right now. Then that was like first part of the prompt. Second part of the prompt, rewrite my sales page using those patterns. Use my current sales page as a reference below, so I pasted it my sales page. Maintain the core story and flow, but improve structure, clarity, and copy based on your research. Then I wanted some changes for it. I wanted it to remove these things. Doesn't matter. I'm not going to do mentorship. It will just be a course. This is how I want the deliverables. I want full rewritten sales page copy, headline, sub-headline, opening pain, hook, problem solution, module breakdown, bonuses, guarantee, call to action, testimonials, etc. And then I also told him I didn't want to stop there. It's not enough just to research the best sales pages, find the patterns, and redo the sales pages for me, but I also wanted the full code for my sales page that I can just copy paste inside my funnel builder and use it, right? And yeah, I pasted my sales page and let Manus do the work. And sure enough, it did. It was like, okay, let me do this, understand, research, creating your sales page, creating HTML, and it did it. And I think it took around 15 minutes to do all of this. Now think about how crazy it is. It would have taken me probably over, I don't know, a couple of weeks. How much does it take you to check? First, how do you know what are the best performing current offers in your industry or adjacent industries and or niche? Like, it's difficult enough to find them, but then find all the patterns, all the sales pages, all the links, find out the angles, what's working. It's a lot even for one man to comprehend. This tool did it in 5 minutes for free, right? And then took my sales page and rewrote everything. Now, I know what you're wondering. Was it good? Well, it got to 80% there. So it's not 100%. I mean, arguably I could use it, right? It would probably still work. But there are more tweaks needed to be made. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty freaking close. It gave me everything. It gave me, this is the entire copy for my course. Now, I think it did something that I didn't want. So I was like, please redo this, right? So it gave me the entire copy. Yeah, look at this. Again, it's not perfect, but it's a functioning freaking code for a website, right? Probably has, I think it's in two parts here. Now, if you're a business owner, marketer, or a coach, and you're looking to implement AI, you see the changes happening, and you know you need to be up to date, I'm releasing 1 to 3 videos on what are the best AI tools to use for coaches and business owners, how to implement them in your own business so that you can get more quality leads, get paid, and stay up to date with all the changes happening in the world. So I invite you to consider subscribing if you're interested in that kind of content. Yeah, look at this. It built the entire freaking thing. Now again, is it perfect? No, but here's the thing. You can either go back and be like, okay, I want this, and this changed. Mind you, you might run across lack of points because the really important thing, Manus is currently not as open as other AIs, meaning you cannot just access it, even if you want to pay. Currently, I think you need either an invite code, which is how I got in, one time limit unless you pay. So there are downsides. At least at the time of me recording, by the time you're watching, it could be open. You can maybe pay, maybe they renew it. So they are changing things. But this entire thing with one single prompt did what would take me a couple of weeks to do, probably a couple of hundreds, if not a couple of thousands of dollars to do, and a lot of my personal time. And again, it's not perfectly there, but now I can take the code and I can either go to Manus, or if I'm out of credits, I can go to Gemini, to Claude, to Chat, whatever. I can be like, hey, change this, improve the copy, I want this, and that. So I can fix it, but it's 80% there. I need some tweaks and other things. So honestly, I think Manus and probably GenSpark are the best only autonomous AI agents that I've tried, which can do pretty much almost anything you can tell them to do. I have another use case, but I'll do it in a separate video. I tried all large language models to get it to do something. All of them can research web and none of them could do it. I think I tried 5 different ones and Manus did it out of the first try. So it's truly unbelievable. Honestly, probably my favorite tool that I've tried so far. I think learning how to use large language models will be really important, but I think agents and learning other tools will be the future. Now, my advice for you right now, apply to Manus if you don't have it already, and when you get access, make sure to first redo your prompting with ChatGPT and make sure you're really clear on what you need, and this thing can build entire funnels for you. I'll share in another video another use case of how I used Manus to build me an entire funnel with a landing page copy, thank you page copy, code, email follow-up, everything. I think it will be important for us as business owners to stay ahead. You can see all these big companies like Go High Level and ClickFunnels and Zoom and Canva. You can see them all implementing AI in their offers. And I think this is the future. And I think if you don't do that, either if you're not using AI, like I just showed you how you can do it, and if you're not also implementing it so that other people using your offers and services don't have the benefit of AI, I think you're gonna be left behind. So please start thinking about this. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I think you're really gonna love to see how I built 2 fully functioning apps in under 15 minutes without knowing how to code in another tool. So check this video out.